Hey you, yeah you, make sure
to like and subscribe,
or nothing. Nothing will happen to you. These intros are so
stupid.
So let's get right into the video.
Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a shooting game. It is very easy to do, so yeah, watch till the end of the video. All you need to do is now just delete this character, and then you want to go to sprite and then choose your own sprite, like paint your sprite, and then you go to the circle, and then make sure to paint to put the color white, because yeah, not purple or something, just white. And now put this to 10, and then just make a circle. So you wanna actually like see the gun. So you go to line, and then you just make a line here, like just like he's holding a gun, like that. So we can make it a pistol. Yeah. So you and then you go to square. So let's zoom in a little bit. Then you go to grey, and then just yeah. When you do the square, make sure it's like around 5. Yeah, and then do one here, just like he's basically holding a gun. So now let me just delete that. So now you zoom out a little bit, and then you want to change the size. So instead of 100, make it like 50, and then you go to code, and then just create your own background. It's very easy. So you go to backdrop, and then choose your own backdrop, and then just zoom out so that you can actually like cover the whole square, the whole screen. You want to go to circle, and then the grey, make the grey a little bit darker because the gun is grey. And now just do a square like this. Yep. So now we've done that. So make sure to press on the character so that the motion blocks comes out. Press on the character, and then motion comes out. And then for the coding, you want to go to when flag is clicked, and then forever, and then if and then and then just like the last video, yeah, the last video, do the same thing. I copied the last video I just copied from from this video. And then key space pressed. You know what to do if you saw my last video. Then it turns 5 degrees. And then you do the same thing. So when I'm done, I'll show you. So this is what it will look like. So now if we try it, it turns around, and if we press the up arrow, it moves. So now you want to go to the second coding, so just move that a little bit here. Make sure to stop the game. And then go to events, when flag is clicked, and then forever. And then if or else here, you go to sensing, and then if key space is pressed, and then oops. And then when you do that, you go to create a clone. Create a clone of oh yeah, so just create another character. So it's going to be the bullet. You go to square, and then make sure it's yellow, because the bullet. And then just do a square. Make sure like it's like that, and then instead of size 100, let's make it to around 30, or even less. Yeah. Hold on. So just go make another sprite, and then just delete the other sprite, and then the bullet comes up. So I'm just gonna make a little bit smaller, like this, maybe. Yeah. Yep. So now, let me just try and see if it fits. Stop the game. See if it fits. That comes out. Yeah, so it fits. So the second code is when flag is clicked to the bullet. So the second code is going to be to the bullet, the yellow bullet. So when flag is clicked, you want to go hide, because obviously you don't want the bullet to show. And then you go to control, and then just scroll down until you see when I start as a clone. And then you go to looks, and then you scroll down a little bit, and then you go forward 1 layers. So we're actually going to change that and make it backwards, 99 layers. And then you want to go to show, and after that you show it, and then you go to motion, and then scroll down till you see, yeah. So you want to go to random position, and then you want to change random position into to sprite 1. Now you go to pointing direction. After that, just don't change the number. Then you want to go to sensing, and then direction. So I just can't find it. Direction, where is direction? Oh yeah, so you want to go to backdrop hashtag something, and then you want to go to like, and then you want to make it. So yeah, before you do that, make sure to go to sensing and then just choose and just press this button, but make sure it doesn't come up in the bottom. Make sure it comes up at the top. So if it doesn't work, just go to controlling and the sensing again. Let's go down a little bit. It should work. Sprite 1. Oh yeah, so make sure to put it on Sprite 1 first. Make sure to put it on Sprite 1 and then click on the backdrop hashtag and then go to direction. And then you put it on you replace it with the 90 degrees. And then second thing you want to go to is control. And then you go down till you see repeat until loop. Repeat until loop. And then you go to operators, if that's right, yeah, operators, and then you want to go to OR, like that, and then sensing, and then touching edge. So make sure it's touching edge, and then just put it on the left side of, or like this, and then or touching Sprite 3. So we still haven't done Sprite 3 yet, so we're going to do it right now. It's basically the zombie. So you go to choose Sprite and then paint. You go to circle and then make sure the color is green, dark green, just like that, and then make sure it's like on like this, 10, and then draw a line and zoom in a little bit, and then it's like it's pointing towards you, like that. So this is way too big, obviously, so make it just the same size as the guy that's holding a gun. So it was size 50. Let's make that size 50. And then you want to go back to the bullet, and then go to repeat until, and then touching Sprite 3, and then just make it on here like that, and then you go to motion and then move 15 steps. 15 steps. And then after that, go to control, and then scroll down, and then delete this clone. So now so we've done the bullet part. So now you want to go to zombies, and then when flag is clicked, and then obviously want to hide it. It will show, so hide, and then forever loop, and then wait, let's say 1.2 seconds, and then you want to go down a little bit, and then until you see create clone of myself. So just put that in the bottom here, and then you want to go when I start as a clone, and then show. So if it starts as a clone, it will show show, and then you go to motion, and then go to X, and then Y. So you want to change the X to 250, and then to the Y you want to go to pick random 1 to 10, like that. But then make it the first one, make it minus 170, and the other one just make it 170. And then now you want to go get the forever loop, forever, and then go to motion, and then point towards, so it should be here, yep. Point towards sprite 1, so it's gonna like the zombies is gonna point towards sprite 1, so let's change that to sprite 1. It comes to sprite 1, it follows the sprite 1, which is the man who's holding a gun, and then you go to, and then you move one step, and then control, and then if then loop, I'm gonna put it inside forever, and then wait about 0.3 seconds, and then delete this clone. So now if you try that out, so the zombies comes to you, and then if you, oh yeah, I forgot to put something. So oh yeah, I forgot something. So you want to go back to sprite 1, and then forever if, and then create a clone of sprite 2. And then you want to go scroll, and then just wait 0.3 seconds. 0.3 seconds. So now if you try that out, the zombies comes to you. So if you shoot space, and just like shoot it through the zombies, sorry I'm very noob, the zombies, oh, there's a problem. Yeah, there's a problem. So yeah, if touching sprite 2, I always forget that. If touching sprite 2, which is the bullet, if touching sprite 2, so let's try that out. Hold on. So the zombies get deleted if we shoot them. So let's say wait 0.1 seconds, then it will delete faster, and then see, yeah, so make sure to put it on 0.1 seconds, and then yeah, now we have a shooting game. So it's very easy to do. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.